Hey guys, welcome back. In the last lecture, we worked on customizing the registrations controller and the device sign up form. Now, in this lecture, we will customize our login form. So here you can see that this form it looks not much better in terms of UI, and it is the default device login form. So we will customize this form into this lecture using Bootstrap card classes and so on. Okay. So first, switch to the project directory and open the new.html.trb from app use user session. Okay, and just like in the here you can see that in the new.html trb of registrations, what we did that we are using this card classes. So what we will do, just copy this card element from here and then paste it here. And now just to close all the divs and make this title as sign up to login. Sorry, not login up, it's login, and remove this s2 from here. And then we need to copy this form within our card body element. So just cut it from here and then paste it into the card body and correctly indent it. And now we need to use form group. Okay, and then remove all the brs and here add the class, let's say class mb2 mt2. Okay, and add the same label class on, sorry, mb2 and mt2. Now just copy this class and paste it into the password label as well. And here we need to provide our form control classes. Okay, form control, copy the form control classes from here and paste it into the password field as well. Okay, and now we need to make it login as primary button. So actions, then mt3, and here class btn primary. Okay, now save it and go to the browser and refresh your page, but this form will still not work. You will still see the default device home. Why? Because go to the routes.rb and here you can see that just like registrations controller, we need to mention sessions controller path here as well. Okay, because now we are trying to customize the form of device sessions form. Okay, so sessions, then users sessions. Okay, save it and then refresh the browser and now you will see the better device login form. Okay, so here you can see that this is the customized device login form, and if you wish you can add some margin and but top from bottom and the card as well. So go to the new.html.trb and here what we can do, first make it call lg6 and then here we can add mt5 mb5. Okay, and you can do the same thing into the registration form as well. So go to the new html.trb registrations, paste it here, remove this extra white space. Okay, and copy this html data turbo files into the url, sorry, device session form as well. Okay, so after this resource name, paste it here, go to the browser and refresh it. So now you will see that we have some spacing between the header and the device card, and if you go to the sign up form you will see the spacing here as well. Okay, so this is how you can customize your device registration device login form. Okay, so the device login forms has been done here. Okay, now we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, try this lecture at your end, and tata, goodbye, take care and stay safe.